Okay, since we know it works, doesn't that make you just want to drag the whole thing home?
Yes. But whether we can or not is a different question.
Sure. So we can definitely hear things running here, some fans. Probably inverter fan cooler. I think that must be air brakes. I mean, we've got a lot of high voltage cables running back to the batteries. Got our drive motor here. Definitely things are working. I wanted to get measurements of the interior, but since we know we can open the thing now, we should be okay.
How much more these batteries have?
Well, they're rechargeable.
Rechargeable. We're also on a deadline.
Oh, the lights work. Hey, let's check the back. How about you hit the brakes? Brake lights work. Cool, looks good. Dude, you have a backup camera on that thing. Okay, so all that hemming and hawing about buying batteries and another set of jumper cables at Walmart last night. How do you feel about spending 50 bucks on batteries and jumper cables at Walmart last night?
Ben Nelson was right. It was totally worth it. If you ever get a chance to drive an electric box truck, do it. It is a blast.
Got to be able to see out the windshield to drive.
We transported the truck over to a local business which was run by a professional wrecker driver. The first thing we did was open up the truck and start getting measurements inside of the box, outside of the box, total height, wheelbase, axle width, all that kind of information. We also double checked that against the trailer, and oh man, was it close, but not quite enough. So based on the measurements and the advice of a professional, we decided that we would not be able to trailer the truck home.